The year was 1969. The world held its breath. A dream was about to come true. Humanity was going to the moon. The Apollo 11 mission was ready. The mission was bold. It was dangerous. It was our greatest adventure. Millions watched on television. They prayed for the astronauts' safe return. The mighty Saturn V rocket roared. It carried Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins. Their destination, the moon. The journey was long and perilous. The world waited for news. After 4 days, they entered lunar orbit. The moon's surface was a sight to behold. Craters, mountains, and a desolate beauty. The landing site was the Sea of Tranquility. Neil Armstrong descended the ladder. He became the first human on the moon. His words echoed through history. That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. He planted the American flag. He collected lunar samples. He and Aldrin spent hours exploring this new world. The Apollo 11 mission was a triumph. It showed us what we could achieve. It united humanity in a shared moment of wonder. It inspired generations to dream bigger. The moon landing was just the beginning. It opened our eyes to the cosmos. It showed us that anything is possible. It reminded us that we are all explorers.